Students, we have completed chapter 3rd, Fiber to Fabric. In this chapter, we studied about cotton wool, fabric, fiber, the process of knitting, spinning, weaving, and what is yarn. Now let's summarize quickly. In this chapter, we studied that there is variety of clothing material or fabric such as cotton, silk, wool, and polyester. Fabrics are made from yarn, which in turn are made from fibers. Fibers are either natural or synthetic. Cotton, wool, silk, and jute are some natural fibers, while nylon and polyester are some example of synthetic fibers. Fibers like cotton and jute are obtained from plants. The process of making yarn from fibers is called spinning. And lastly, fabric from yarns is made by weaving and knitting. Now, let's discuss the exercises. First, classify the following fibers as natural or synthetic. Out of nylon, wool, cotton, silk, polyester, and jute, students, wool, which is obtained from animals, cotton, which we get from cotton plant, silk, which is obtained from silkworm, and jute, which is obtained from jute plant. These are the natural fibers. Now, nylon and polyester, both of them are synthetic. Now we will discuss the second one. State whether the following statements are true or false. First, yarn is made from fibers. So students, this is a true statement. Now, spinning is a process of making fibers. So students, this is a wrong statement because spinning is a process of making yarn. Now, third, jute is the outer covering of coconut. No, it's wrong. Next, the process of removing seeds from cotton is called ginning. This is true statement. Weaving of yarn make a piece of fabric. So students, it is correct. Silk fiber is obtained from stem of plant. This is wrong because I have told you silk fiber is obtained from silkworm. So this statement is incorrect, false. Polyester is natural fiber. This is also a false statement because it is a synthetic fiber.